It's the enzymes that we need in our body to create longevity. Without these bank accounts of enzymes, beauty in the gut, reference there by the way, we will start to get sick. We will start to age faster than our years. We have to have a bank account of enzymes. We also have to have a bank account of good bacteria inside of our gut. We don't have those two things, we will start to deteriorate. It's really important that people understand this. And you can't get enzymes from processed food, and you can't create balance for something that works well with you, but just understanding that your two things have to be healthy, your gut and your liver. They have to be healthy to create wellness, as well as the lymphatic system, because it's your sewer system of the body, and if it is not cleansed, we also end up sick. And if you go back into How to Beat Coronaviruses, my second book, you will learn that your lymphatic system is rooted inside of your gut, and it's also connected to your liver. Two things. You have to remember how to be healthy. And I'm referencing that in my third book as well. That's what I want people to focus on is, are you looking after your gut with your food? Are you looking after your liver with your food? You'll find that the foods for your liver and your gut are actually the same things that you should be eating anyways. It's not complicated once you actually get to know the system behind, what I do. But this is it's for you to heal. It's for us to have balanced hormones, and we can never create complete harmony with the hormones because of the environmental toxins in our life, like the synthetic chemicals around us, all these estrogens and everything. It's going to throw off the balance a lot, and that's why we get estrogen dominance, but this is also why I have to take care of the lymphatic system too for the estrogen dominance. I'm going to leave it there.